Hello everyone, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate 70, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on this device. So as you can see currently, I do use gesture navigation. So just by sliding, I do navigate my phone. If you wish to apply gesture navigation, and not gesture but button navigation, just open the settings, scroll all the way down, mark system and updates, and go to system navigation. And now just mark free key navigation, go to settings to customize it however you like, and I like this way best. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is active. Obviously, whenever you want to change it again, just do it the same way, just pick gestures. So this is it. This is how you can manage navigation on your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.